I'm Rebecca Rogers. I'm a PhD student here in the Movement and Landscape Ecology Lab at CDU. I study how and why animals move, and I'm particularly interested in how we can use different technology to understand the movement of different animals.
I'm Holly and I'm in the first year of a PhD at CDU. So the goal of my research is to help conserve the black-footed tree rat, which is a native Australian mammal. I go out into the field to collect genetic samples, and then I extract the DNA in the lab and then analyze it with computer programs.
My name's Janine Abesha. I'm a PhD candidate at Charles Darwin University in the field of aquatic ecology. Currently, my main research focus is about the reproductive behavior of two freshwater mouth brooding fishes. So I do fieldwork data, and I enjoy my fieldwork because I get to ride an electrofisher boat and go to places that I've never been to.
I'm Linda. I'm an environmental scientist and I'm currently doing my PhD here at CDU. My research is about looking at all the different shapes and sizes of trees, and I'm doing that with a laser scanner like this one.
I'm Vanessa. I'm a PhD candidate at CDU. My research is related to hydrology and biogeochemistry. I'm looking at carbon fluxes in savanna streams. I go out to the field a lot. I take measurements from streams and lots of water samples, which later I analyze in the lab to see how much carbon is in there and where is it coming from.
I'm Sydney. I'm a PhD student at CDU. My research is looking at finch movement in relation to declining resource availability. I have quite a lot of fieldwork. I spend a lot of time in Wyndham in West Australia doing my tagging for the finches. I really enjoy working with the Ballingarra Rangers. They have a lot of insight and a lot of traditional knowledge.
I'm Jenny House and I'm a PhD researcher at Charles Darwin University, and I also work for a non-governmental organisation based in East Timor. My research is about community-based fisheries management, and in particular I focus on how and why different kinds of people are included in or excluded from fisheries management.
To be a good scientist, you really have to be brave.
I think you have to be inquisitive, analytical, and like to learn about how the world works.
You have to be able to acknowledge that, okay, so I've just spent a lot of time trying this and it didn't work. Let's just move on and try something different.
And the passion's what's really going to keep you going when things are challenging, because it can be really hard at times, especially when you're looking at new things.
A good scientist is someone who cares about people, because in science we ask questions with the goal of improving people's lives.